There's one. He was real close to shore. Little guy.
I like that color on that.
Square bill, yeah.
You want pliers, I can grab some pliers.
That should be. Well, he choked it. Just on that little square bill again. Probably about a pound. Whoa. There you go, buddy. There you go. You probably don't want to. There's one. Yeah. Yeah. Decent one. You want to touch him? Got him on a square bill crankbait. That's a nice one. Let's get the release on him. There he goes.
Alright guys, today me and Elliot are fishing a reservoir we don't get to fish that much. It used to be a quarry. It's super deep, super rocky. We're gonna throw some finesse Ned rigs, hopefully for some largemouth and probably some rock bass too, so we'll get to you when we get a fish.
Nice little dinker.
Oh, there we go. That was a good cast, bro. Oh, dude, it's a big rock bass. Nice rock bass right there, guys. Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna just fish that drop off, dude. See it? Rock bass. Skirt. Hoping for a bass on that drop off, but I mean, I guess a rock bass is a bass, just not the bass we're looking for. Rock bass. That's right. Because I remember seeing that pine tree. Did you see that? Oh yeah, it is a nice rock. He was under that pine tree and I saw him come up and eat it. Nice little rock bass there. He's got some cool black accents on the, see that? On those fins. Large mouth. Oh crap. Don't come off. No! Yeah, see, he's right there. Darn it. Here's the bad thing about fishing some of these places here, is that down there, you're, what are we, probably like 10 foot up?
Yeah.
10 foot straight drop off, you have to swing him up, so if you catch a big fish, you're screwed. If you catch a little fish, he'll get hung up, so. Oh, no, darn it. Oh, nope, we got him out. Called it. Another Rocky. Kind of felt like it at first though. Nice Rocky.
No doubles today. Yeah.
Oh, it'll happen.
Yep. Got there. The larger.
Big rock. What the? That's a really pale rock.
Yeah, I was about to say.
Kind of looked like a white bass coming up, didn't it?
Yeah.
Double, baby.
Two nice largies. Largies, Rockies. See you later, boys.
Well, just chilling there. They literally go straight down, don't they?
Yeah, I was like, I haven't got a double up yet today.
Dude, this is the smallest rock bass, I think. It's a bluegill. It's a warmouth. What the heck? Tiny little dude. Guys, got my first bass of the day. A little dinker, but pretty chunky. Alright, let's figure out how we're gonna release this guy. Yo, Elliot, this is gonna be interesting. Alright. Alright, bro, I'm gonna just drop him. Alright. There's not much, I'm not risking falling in right now, so that's about as good of a release we're gonna get on that dude.